Okay, hello again, Year 7. So this morning we are going to continue with finding percentages of amounts. We're kind of going to like make it a bit more kind of advanced with what we're doing today. So we're going to use the percentages that we talked about yesterday to find other percentages today. Okay. So using those main ones that we learned about, 50%, 10% and 1%. They're the three key percentages that are going to help us find any percentage that we want. Okay, so make sure please that you pause the video now and get your date and title written down, okay, before we start. And you'll notice there that I've put a picture of a calculator with a cross through it, so today's work is all non-calculator, okay, so you don't need one with you. Okay, so here's something to recap. I want you to write these down in your books, please. Okay, these sentences, because they're like a recap from last lesson. So we've got to complete the following sentences. To find 50% of a quantity or an amount, you divide by what? To find 10% of a quantity, you divide by something. And then to find 1% of a quantity, you divide by something else. So let's fill these in. So to find 50% of something, you divide by 2. To find 10% of something, you divide by 10. And then to find 1% of something, you divide by 100. Okay, so those three sentences I want you to write down, and I want you to put a box around them, highlighter around them. Please make it stand out. Okay, next part. So here's an example number 1. Now don't copy this one down. Do not copy this one down. We do not need this one in our books. You can just listen to me whilst we do this. So example number 1, how would I use 50%, 10% and 1% to find the following percentages? Well, how could I find 5%? I would find 10% and then I would divide it by 2. How would I find 20%? Well, I'd find 10% and I'd times it by 2. Find 15%. Well, I'd find 10% and I'd find 5% by dividing it by 2 and I'd add them together. For 25%, I'd probably find 50% and divide it by 2. And then for 99%, this is an interesting one here, 99%. What I would actually do is I would find 1% and then I would take it away from the answer itself. So say I wanted to find 99% of 200. Okay, I would find 1% of 200, which is 200 divided by 100, which is 2, and then I would just take it away. So I'd do 200, take away 2, which is 198. And so 99% of 200 is 198. So I'd take away 1% to find 99%. Remember, you don't need to write this one down. Okay, so I want you to think about, kind of pause the video for a second once I've finished explaining what I want you to do. I want you to think about how you would find these sorts of percentages here, 11%, 20%, 15%, how you would find those percentages in your head, okay? Just want you to pick a few of them and think about some, and we'll come back to these. So here's first example number 1. Right, I'd like you to copy this down, please. Okay, so copy. So 50% of 60. Well, to find 50%, you divide it by 2. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 50% of 60 is £30. How would I find 25% using what I've just found already? Well, what I could do is I could do £30 divided by 2 again to find 25%, because half of 50% is 25%. So I could half it, divide it by 2, which is £15. And then for 75%, I could use my 50%, which is this, and my 25% and add them together. So 30 add 15 is £45, because I know that 50% add 25% equals 75%, doesn't it? So make sure, I'm just going to undo those little bits there. Make sure you've got that copy down in your books, please. Okay, so the working and everything as well, so that you've got 50% is £30, 25% is £15, and therefore 75% of £60 is £45. Example number 2. Calculate 10% of 50, 5% of 50, and 20% of 50. Well, to find 10%, I need to do 50 divided by 10, which is 5. So 10% equals £5. Okay, that's the first one. Now I need to think about what 5% would be. Well, I know 10% is £5, and I know 5% is half of 10. So what I need to do, 5% is going to be £5 divided by 2, isn't it? It's going to be 10% divided by 2, and 10% is £5 here. So what's half of 5? £2.50. Okay, that's part B there, part A there. And so this here is 5%. And then lastly, 20%. Well, I know 10% is £5, and I know 20% is going to be double that. So 20% is going to be £5 times by 2, which is £10. Okay, so 20% of 50 is £10. Now make sure you've got that written down as well, the working and everything there. I know it's not the neatest working from me. I'm sure it'll look much better on your paper. But I hope you can read everything that I've just wrote there. Okay. So here are the questions I'd like you to do. You've got 2 pages of questions here, and I'd like you to set it out like this sheet has set it out. Okay, I'm going to do the first question of both of the sheets with you. All right, so that you kind of understand how to do it. Okay, so the first sheet is about finding 50%, 25% and 75%, and then the second sheet is about 10%, 5% and 20%, and then a few more percentages as well, so 30%, 15% there as well. So let's do the first one from here. Well, if 100% is 60, what's 50%? Okay, well, 50% is half of 100%, and therefore I know that 30 is half of 60, and that should go there. I know 25% is half of 50%. So again, this is like the example that we just did, isn't it, that we copied out. And then 30 add 15 gives you 45. Okay, maybe let's do another one just to make sure that everyone's got this. So 100% is worth 28. 50% is therefore worth 14 because half of 28 is 14. 25% is half of 50%. So what's half of 14 is 7. And then 14 add 7 would give me 50%, add 75%, add 25%, which is 75%. So 14 add 7 is 21. So 75% of 28 is 21. So there's the first 2 done for you, all right, on this page. And then let's have a look here at the next sheet. So there's only 6 questions from this sheet here to do. But again, I want you to set it out like they have with the bubbles and everything. Okay, so let's have a go at this. So 100% is worth 60. 10%, I need to divide 60 by 10 to find 10%, and that's going to be 6. 20% is going to be double 10%, so that's got to be 12. 30% has got to be 3 times 10%. So what's 3 times 6? 18. 6 is 10%, so what's 5%? Well, 5% is half of 10%, so this has got to be 3. And then to find 15%, I could use my 10%, add my 5%, which is 6 plus 3, which gives us 9. Okay, so that's that first one done, and you've got 5 more to do by yourself there. Okay, so what I'd like you to do, please, is take a picture of your work and send it to me via Google Classroom or via email. My email is jsabelia at jfk.hearts.uk. Make sure you're not sending it to any other email address. Make sure you start a new email and you send it to this email address, please. Otherwise, I might not get it. Or you can just, the easiest one is to submit it via Google Classroom, which is what most of you are doing, which is great. Any problems with this work, please let me know. If you got stuck anywhere, please let me know. And there are answers on the PDF for you to check your work, okay? So make sure that you check your work before you send it to me so I can see how you've done, okay? Remember, make sure you email me, comment if you've got any issues at all and I can help you out. Okay, I hope you have a lovely day.